In today's digital world, the ability to create, edit, and present professional documents is essential, whether for academic work, business communication, or personal projects. Microsoft Word remains one of the most powerful and widely used tools for word processing, versatility, reliability, and advanced feature, trusted by millions of people around the globe. Welcome to Dockay Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to install and access Microsoft Word on your Windows PC. Let's begin by opening our web browser. I always recommend using Google Chrome. And also make sure your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. Then you go ahead, open a new tab, and go to Microsoft Word online page by typing word.new on the address bar. After the page loads, you will be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. I will sign in now to continue. But if you don't have a Microsoft account yet, you can create one for free in just a few seconds with this video link showing at the right top of your screen right now. Now, once you are signed in, the Microsoft Word online interface will appear on your screen just like this. Normally, when installing a website as an application on your computer, the install icon appears automatically on the right side of the browser's address bar. If you see that icon, you can simply click on it to install Microsoft Word immediately. But if you don't see the install icon, don't panic at all, because there's another easy way to get it done. Now look at the top right corner of Google Chrome. You will see these three vertical dots, which will open the Chrome menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots and a full menu will appear. From here, scroll down slowly until you find the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. Go ahead and click on this option, or just simply place your mouse on it and a side menu will appear. Inside that side menu, you will see Install Page as App, or sometimes it may display Install Microsoft Word. Now simply click on it. As soon as you do that, a small pop-up will also appear again, asking you if you want to install this page as an application. Go ahead and click Install. Just like that, congratulations, you have successfully installed Microsoft Word Online as an app on your Windows computer. The good thing about this method is that your Microsoft Word now opens in its own clean windows, just like a normal desktop application, without opening the full browser. Let's close everything for a moment and take a look at the shortcuts. When you take a closer look at my desktop, you will see that the Microsoft Word icon have been created automatically. You can double-click it anytime to open Microsoft Word instantly. And there it is, a clean, easy, and smooth Microsoft Word interface running as its own application windows. This shortcut makes it fast to launch and super convenient to use. The UI looks very similar to the full Microsoft Word experience. When you take a closer look at the top ribbon, all the layout tabs like Home, Insert, and the rest looks similar. The document area is spacious, perfect for typing, editing, and formatting your work. Everything feels like a real desktop app, but it is lightweight and easy to access anytime. And that is it, guys. You have successfully installed Microsoft Word as a free application on your Windows PC or laptop without downloading Microsoft Office and without using any cracks or external software. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Dockay Hub. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, drop a comment below, and most importantly, subscribe to see more simple tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.